Now remember the research we did before. We want to make sure that we end up on these particular pages. Okay, so to do that, what we can do is go to list URLs, and then we can enter our URLs in here. So let's just grab these. Now when I was creating this list of URLs, I didn't take into consideration the number of sub-URLs in here. You're only allowed to have 2 levels, so we're probably going to get an error. Okay, so it's giving us an error here because we have too many extensions here. And this one, .at, it doesn't like that one at all, so let's take that out of there. Okay, so we'll add InDesign Studio. And then we can go through and look at what we've selected. And this is everything, including what we just did. Now you'll notice up here it says one of the URLs entered are not available for targeting. And the reason is because they've turned off in their ad placements the ability for the content network to show ads on their site. Okay, so click Continue. Now here you can pick how you want to pay, whether you want to pay by cost per click, and that's when you pay only when somebody clicks, or if you want to pay cost per M or CPM or cost per 1,000 impressions. Now you're likely going to want to go with cost per click. As it says down here, it's recommended only for campaigns with display advertising like videos or images. So if you're using text ads, you should probably go with cost per click. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now it's telling us how many ads placements we have here and the maximum impressions. So we have 7 placements that allow video, image, or text ads at 500K plus impressions per day. 2 placements that allow text ads 0 to 10K, and 5 placements with 100K to 500K. Okay, so now it's just showing us that to let it show us how many impressions there are for those particular sites. This is not saying that our ad is going to get all those impressions because it works by bids just like the regular ad network does. Okay, so we want to enter our daily budget. Let's say $5. And what is the maximum you're willing to pay each time someone clicks on your ad? And this will influence the ad position just like it does in the search network. Okay, so adjust this as you see fit here. Click Continue. And here's our summary. And shows us which sites we're targeting. Now you could go back and create another ad group at this point if you wanted to do something else in here and actually target different sites with a different ad. You would set up another ad group, or you can save your campaign. So we'll go ahead and save our campaign. Okay, and now our ad is running. So this is our ad group. It's active. We're going to pay 1 cent per click, and this shows our clicks and impressions. Now all we have to do is monitor the progress of our campaigns, so we'll go over some fine-tuning in the next video.